Good morning, dear friends. Welcome to our English parade once again. Very good morning to you all. As we have seen in previous parade, Unit 11, Tom whitewashes the fence. We have studied about the character of Tom Sawyer, how he was a troublesome boy, and when Aunt Polly gave him the work of whitewashing the fence, and then how this boy smartly behaved and he tricked, and in place of himself he asked to whitewash the fence on his behalf to other boys, and also he got very much things from the boys because they thought this whitewashing the fence is something very interesting job. Okay, so this boy was enjoying on that particular day, and now let's move to the exercise. So dear friends, understanding what we read we are going to do in the next period. So now today it's a time to write down some things and question answers into the notebook. So please open your notebook. Okay, write down the unit number, unit 11, Tom whitewashes the fence. Okay, then this B, question B, today we are going to see answer these questions. Okay, so we are going to write down the answers into our notebook. Okay, so dear students, write down the questions answers into your notebook and learn them well. So open page number 84 of your English textbook and let's start. Dear friends, the first question is, why did Tom not pay any attention to Ben? Okay, the first question is, why did Tom not pay any attention to Ben? Alright, so Tom ने Ben की तरफ एक भी attention क्यों नहीं दिया? So the answer is, Tom did not pay attention to Ben because he wanted to show that he loved his job. Alright. Tom did not pay any attention to Ben because he wanted to show that he loved his job. Now move to the next question. What was Ben planning to do? What was Ben planning to do? So the answer is, Ben was planning to go swimming. Ben was planning to go swimming. Okay, Ben swimming को जाने के लिए planning कर रहा था. Number 3, why did Ben want to paint the fence for a while? So the question is, why did Ben want to paint the fence for a while? Ben थोड़ी देर के लिए क्या हुई ना, लेकिन फेंस को क्यों पेंट करना चाहता था? So the answer is, Ben got interested in what Tom was doing. Okay, so Ben got interested in what Tom was doing. जो टॉम कर रहा था वाइट वॉशिंग, उसमें बेन को भी इंटरेस्ट लगा कि एक वर्क इंटरेस्टिंग वर्क है. नंबर 4, why didn't Tom let Ben paint the fence immediately? ओके, जब बेन ने पेंट करने के लिए टॉम को मांगा तो उसने इमीडिएटली तुरंत क्यों नहीं दिया? सो आंसर इज, टॉम डिड नॉट लेट बेन पेंट द फेंस immediately so that he could make Ben even more interested in the activity. Tom did not let Ben paint the fence immediately so that he could not make Ben even more interested in the activity. Alright, let's move to the next question. Number 5, what did Ben give Tom for letting him paint the fence? The question is, what did Ben give Tom for letting him paint the fence? So the answer is, Ben gave an apple to Tom for letting him paint the fence. Means Ben ने Tom को फेंस को पेंट करने के बदले में क्या दिया था कि वो उसको पेंट करने दिए। तो बेन गेव एन एप्पल टू टॉम फॉर लेटिंग हिम paint the fence. Number 6. Why was Tom richer at the end of the day? Question number 6. Why was Tom richer at the end of the day? Okay. So, what was the reason? So, answer is all the boys wanted to paint the fence. Alright. Actually, all the boys wanted to paint the fence. It seemed to be so much fun. सभी बच्चे फेंस को, दीवार को पेंट करना चाहते थे. It seemed to be so much fun. उनको लगा कि ये काम बहुत ही मज़ेदार है. Each one gave Tom something and he felt much richer than he had been that morning. और उन सभी बच्चों ने टॉम को फेंस पेंट करने के लिए देने के बदले में कुछ न कुछ दिया. And that's why on that particular day he felt, that is the Tom felt much richer than he had been that morning. मतलब सुबह से वो अभी अपने आप को काफ़ी रिच महसूस करने लगा था. अभी रिच महसूस होने का मतलब काफ़ी खुश महसूस कर रहा था, अपने आप को हैप्पीएस्ट पर्सन समझने लगा था. Number 7. What 3 things happened that day to make Tom happy? Okay. What 3 things happened that day to make Tom happy? Means उस दिन, पर्टिकुलर दिन, ऐसी कौन सी 3 चीज़ें हुई, 3 घटनाएं हुई जिन्होंने टॉम को हैप्पी बनाया, खुश किया. ओके, सो लेट्स सी द आंसर डियर फ्रेंड्स. टॉम हैड अ लेजी डे, plenty of company, and the fence had 3 coats of paint on it, and these 3 things made him happy. Okay, so what was the first thing? Tom had a lazy day. Actually, okay, बाकी के बच्चे उसकी बदले में फेंस को पेंट कर रहे थे, तो टॉम को कुछ भी काम करना नहीं पड़ा. सेकंड, प्लेंटी ऑफ कंपनी, उसके साथ में बहुत सारे बच्चे थे खेलने के लिए. प्लेंटी ऑफ कंपनी, ओके, और उसके पास दूसरे टॉयज़ भी थे खेलने के लिए. एंड द फेंस हैड 3 कोट्स ऑफ पेंट ऑन इट, और धीरे धीरे कहते कहते, देखते देखते उस सब बच्चों ने अल्टरनेटली अपनी अपनी बारी आने पर 3 टाइम्स उस फेंस को कोट किया था. मीन्स द फेंस हैड 3 कोट्स ऑफ पेंट ऑन इट एंड दीज 3 थिंग्स मेड हिम हैप्पी. और ये 3 चीज़ें थी जिन्होंने टॉम को खुश किया, हैप्पी किया. सो आई होप डियर स्टूडेंट्स you have understood the questions answer. Also you must have noted down it into your notebook. Also I am going to send you the screenshot of the questions answers, so please write down all the question answers into your notebook properly and read and learn well. So in the next period we are going to talk about the spelling and vocabulary section and then grammar section. Okay, so take care and see you in the next period. Thank you.